bluesign really provides us good stepping stone and a good framework in order to achieve our sustainability initiatives. Because as Bangladesh's biggest market is in the EU, passing rules and regulations that really require full traceability across their entire supply chain. And when we adopt systems like bluesign, it gives us the opportunity to explore how these frameworks will run. That way we can take steps towards not just chemicals, also our garments, fabrics, and the whole supply chain can exist within this framework. Partnering with bluesign reflects a very big transformation within MATEX. যেটা আমি দেখেছি, we shifted from being a conventional chemical manufacturer to becoming a sustainable driven solution provider. And this meant embedding environmental responsibility, chemical safety, and resource efficiency in every stage of our operation. So this is why it provided us with a holistic and a science-based framework, and not just on our product, but in our entire production ecosystem. So at this stage of the industry evolution, যেটা transparency and responsibility has become non-negotiable. So this partnership was essential for us, and we believe that it positions MATEX in the forefront of the chemical manufacturing in Bangladesh. I think aligning with global frameworks, it was definitely very demanding, but we believe that the guidance and structure that the bluesign system provides, it provides us a framework on how to approach sustainable manufacturing. This way, it was more structured and more achievable for us because we had a framework provided by bluesign to achieve this. We believe that bluesign, it goes beyond the compliance issue. It promotes a proactive approach, ensuring that only safe and approved chemistries enter the production process from the very beginning stage towards the end stage as well. This significantly reduced the complexity of meeting ZDHC and MRSL requirements, and as our system is already aligned with most of the global expectations, this provided us a better framework for us to achieve our sustainability goals. This is a very competitive market. The bluesign system provides us good, powerful benchmark for trust and credibility. These are the two things that are very essential in our industry. So for global brands and buyers, bluesign is synonymous with safety, sustainability, and most importantly, transparency and traceability. By achieving this partnership, MATEX demonstrates that a local manufacturer can meet and even exceed our international benchmarks. And this allows us to build stronger relationships with global brands, with meeting export requirements, and compete on quality, sustainability, not just price. Strongest advantage of the bluesign system is the emphasis on the full supply chain transparency. So we've adopted bluesign as an input stream management approach, which ensures careful selection and verification of raw materials, complete documentation and data transparency, traceability all the way to tier 2, tier 3. Traceability and input, this really gives us a good holistic approach for the finished chemical output. So we believe that this system builds confidence amongst our consumers and ensures sustainability claims are backed by verifiable data and third-party validation as well. One of the biggest advantages the bluesign system offers is that it offers full data transparency from all the way importing stage all the way to the product output stage. So we believe that careful product raw material verification backed by data and science is very essential for this entire process. And this allows us to build a whole sustainability approach that is based entirely on data and traceability rather than just, stamps. This way we see that the data transparency is always there, and any of our customers can pull any of the data from us. We will have no issues with that. If we look ahead, we can see that this will play a transformative role in the future of the textile industry in Bangladesh, because as brands push more and more towards sustainability, especially in Europe, is passing laws, rules, and regulations that is very much ingrained regarding data transparency and traceability all the way to tier 2, tier 3 suppliers. This provides the whole production model as circular, and this way we can reduce the environmental impact, and we can also ensure that all of our sustainability and the goals are always met, and also our carbon reduction goals are also met this way. Green chemistry innovation is definitely a forefront of the bluesign, and we believe that this certification allows us to take necessary steps towards this circular regenerative textile initiatives. The partnership provides us a good framework in achieving our sustainability objectives. So at this point in time, our carbon footprint within the complex is around 52. We would like to bring that down to around 20. And this is a big step towards achieving these goals by 2030, because we think that this type of initiative will be very important going towards down the line. So it provides us the framework to take necessary steps towards a full sustainable production, to streamline our sustainable production. And the main part of that, we believe, is the data transparency. Whenever the data is requested, we're able to provide it directly. So we think that this is like the bluesign certification is going to provide us a good platform to build on. So this is how I see bluesign. The thing is, what bluesign allows us to do, first of all, we invest heavily in our R&D. So with our R&D, we can come up with any sort of products that the market is requiring, especially when it comes into the sustainability space. So because due to bluesign, we're investing heavily in our R&D to make sure that more and more of our products achieve our sustainability objectives. As a result, we think that this will make Bangladesh highly competitive in the entire space. This way, we can approach more and more of our carbon reduction goals, and we can also make sure that Bangladesh is a big player in this industry for many years to come. So that's why we believe that MATEX is going to be one of the leaders of this, because this year we're launching like 20 new products, and this allows us to stay competitive within this entire space.